Hey, I'm Ron from Coleno, the leading suite app for accounts receivable, from collection, chasing, getting payments, banking reconciliation. In this tutorial, I'll explain the general ledger impact of various customer transactions in NetSuite. So let's get started. The first one we have is customer payments. It increases undeposited funds and it decreases accounts receivable AR. That's the GL impact. For the customer deposits, the GL impact is that it increases customers' deposits and it also increases undeposited funds. If you find this video helpful, please like it. The next one is return receipts. So like me, you might not have it. It's for NetSuite point of sales and SPOS. It increases inventory asset and it decreases cost of goods sold. We also have credit memos. It decreases accounts receivable AR and it decreases as well sales income. The last one I want to tell you about is the customer refunds. It decreases sales income and it decreases checking account. Don't forget to look in the comment section for the NetSuite newsletter from Coleno for more tips and tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.